How to enter barcode on Stubhub. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enter barcode on Stubhub. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your web browser and then head over to stubhub.com. So you can head over to stubhub.com. This is their official website. And the first step is you'll actually need to head over to this section that says profile, my tickets. Now under my tickets, you'll find my listings. So head over to my listings. I'll just open this up in the new tab. Now according to StubHub's support, what you'll need to do to enter barcode before a sale is head over to listing, which we just did right now. So right now we are doing this for before a sale. So after you go to the listing, you'll find a first drop down menu to see it. After you find a listing here, after you find your listing, you can even check its status here. You can see each and every one of those. After you see a listing available, what you'll need to do is you'll need to select see action and then enter barcodes. After you do that, enter the seat and barcode exactly as it's printed on the ticket and then tap on upload. And that is how you enter barcode before a sale. It should be under listing. Now for after the sale, what you need to do is we'll actually need to head over to, let me just go to the first initial page here, and then under my tickets, head over to my sales. So head over to my sales, and after you're here, you can just check all of your sales available right here. And after you see the sale, you'll again need to do the same stuff. Tap on see action and then enter barcodes. After you select both of those, you'll need to enter the seat and barcode exactly at it's printed on the ticket and then tap on upload. After doing that, you're basically good to go. That is how you enter barcodes on StubHub before and after the sale. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.